How to block apps on App Store. If you're trying to prevent certain apps from being downloaded on your iPhone or iPad, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll show you how to block apps on the App Store using built-in features like parental controls and restrictions. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the settings on your iPhone or iPad. Next, scroll down and simply tap on Screen Time. This is where you can manage all your device restrictions and limits. If you haven't already set up a screen time passcode. Go ahead and tap on use screen time. Now what you need to do is simply tap on uh, content and privacy restrictions. This will allow you to control what kind of content can be accessed on the device, including apps in the App Store. Now, under content and privacy restrictions, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Here you'll see option for installing apps. Tap it and select don't allow. This will prevent new apps from being installed on this device. Now, if you want to restrict specific apps based on age ratings, go back to content and privacy restriction settings and go to content restrictions. From here, you can simply select web content and simply click on limit adult website. And what you need to do is simply put on here website. Now here, as you can see, here in game center also you can adjust it, and that's it. Now you know how to block apps from being downloaded on your iPhone or iPad. Now another option is to set up family sharing. For families, Apple's family sharing is a great option. What you need to do is simply set up family, and you can manage what apps your kids can download or purchase by going to family sharing and in the settings app, and you'll be able to approve or deny the app request directly.